Explain the following terms. Rate of reaction. What is rate? Definition for rate of reaction? Yes.
Change in concentration of reactant with respect to time, ma'am.
Yes. It is defined as the change in concentration of the reactant of respect to time. Reactant or product with respect to time. And it is a method of determining the speed of a reaction. So it is rate is equal to minus dr by dt or dp by dt, where r is equal to, for a reaction, r giving p is like this, where r is equal to reactant, p is time, p is product. Activation energy, it is not there. The decomposition of phosphine proceeds according to the equation. It is found that the rate reaction follows following rate equation. The half-life of pH3 is 37.9 seconds, 120 degrees. How much time is required for 3/4 completion? Yes? It's a 5-mark question. So from T half, you calculate K first. T half is equal to 0. See, they have not mentioned anything about the order of the reaction. How do we understand which order is this? In this question, nothing is mentioned about order. But we have to know the order looking at the rate equation. What is the order?
Order, ma'am.
Huh?
First order.
First order. Because why it is first order? Because concentration term raised to the power 1. Isn't it? Simply concentration term is given here. So it is first order reaction. And for first order reaction, how to calculate K using T half? 0.693 by T half will give you K, isn't it? So 0.693 by, what is T half? 37.9. So when you divide, what will you get? Yes? Zero 0.0183. Second inverse. Now, using K, how to calculate 3/4, the time required for 3/4 of pH3 to decompose? Means, whenever they give fraction, I have told you, or not, you have to take it as 1. So, what will be R? R will be R naught minus the amount decomposed. So 3/4 decomposed means what? 3/4 R naught is reacted. So how much is left out? 1/4 R naught is left out. So R will be 1/4 R naught. When 3/4 has decomposed means 3/4 reacted. Normally in the rate constant expression we use only the left out amount in the denominator. So use this expression. Time required for 3/4 is us. T 3/4 is 2.303 by K log of R naught by 1/4 R naught. R naught cancel, 4 goes up. So this will become 2.303 by k log 2 squared. And this will become 2 log 2. 2.303 into 2 log 2 by k. And 2.303 into log 2 is 0.693, isn't it? So this can be simplified as 0.693 by k into 2. And I already know 0.693 by k is what? T half. So 2 into T half will give you time required for 3/4 decomposition. So this is 2 into what is T half? Actually, we did not calculate k here. K, okay, that's okay. So time required for T half T half is 37.9. No, so we just multiply. So first derive the relationship between T half and T3/4 and use this. So what will be the time? 18, 1, 14, 15, 75.8 seconds will be the time required for 3/4 reaction to complete. Yes, we need K because we are asked to calculate what fraction of original sample of pH3 remains behind after 1 minute. So how will you do the next part? Anyone, you know the method? What fraction of original sample of pH3 will remain behind? So you're asked to calculate R. Okay. So for that, what we should use? We should know K for this. So instead of K, we can write this for K is equal to 2.303 by T log of R naught is, whenever we are asked something about fraction, you use R naught as 1 and R is, we don't know. That's what is asked. Fraction of original sample left out means R by R naught you have to calculate. Okay, fraction of original sample amount left out divided by initial amount. But the initial amount that we are taken is 1. R naught, since it is 1, if you calculate R, it is enough. So K value we have calculated, or you can use this K for simplification like this: 2.303 into log 2 is 0.3010 by T half, 37.9. This is nothing but 0.693. 2.303 into 0.3010 is nothing but 0.693. Why I am using this in this form is here 2.303 is on the right. Now you can cancel it off directly. Or you can use this value for K. The simplified value could use by T time left after 1 minute they are asking. But here they have given T half in seconds. So you convert this into seconds and use here because all the units should be similar. So seconds conversion, here it is in T half is in seconds. Here we are using time in seconds. So this side also we have to use T in seconds. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Log 1 by R I need to find. This also I can simplify as 2.303 cut. Take 60 this side. 60 into 0.3010 by 37.9 is equal to log 1 minus log R. Log 1 is 0. Is it not? So log R, what is this calculation? What is the result of this calculation? Tell me. 60 into 60 60 into 0.301, sorry, 10 divided by 37.9. 0.4765 is coming. Are you all getting? So minus log R is 0.4765 means log R is minus 0.4765. So R is what? Anti-log of minus 0.4765. So we have to convert for a negative number, decimal part is negative. So we have to convert this decimal part into positive to find anti-log. So for that we add -1 here, +1 here. 1.0000 minus 0.4765. And you subtract 5, 3, 2, 9 minus 4 is 5. 0. I think in your paper they will give the anti-log value directly because they are telling they won't give log sheets. So look into that. So bar 1.5235. Now 0.5235, what is anti-log? Write that down. 5235 anti-log in a 3.408 is coming. .408. The answer is 3.408 into 10 power minus 1 or 0.3408. So the fraction of this one left out is 0.3408. Or we can write 34.08 by 100. If you want, sometimes if they ask in percentage, you will say 34.08% of the sample is left out unreacted. Or we can say fraction left out means can just express it. 0.3408 part of the original sample is left out unreacted. Explain the following terms. Order of the reaction. What is the definition for order of the reaction?